Good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. So today on the 3 ideas educator on Pound Australia, what we can see is a very bearish movement, support level, broken once, broken twice, back into the sell zone. If you're looking for a shorting opportunity, very nice indecision candle over here. To the 4-hour chart. Alright, so on the 4-hour chart, market came down, retrace, break and close below low price. Interesting. To the 1 hour, this is what I have. Back to the daily chart, I'll share with you my analysis on the daily chart. AB equals CD movement, very nicely done. Then the market reversal, reverse over here. So of course, you can see if there's a 3 dive, meaning you say that first dive, second dive, and a third dive. That is possible. To the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, what I'm looking at is a bearish back pattern, completing a 1.8 flat, 1.8000 still valid. Too bad the market highest price it went is 1.7984. Look at the top left hand corner. Alright, so this is the high price. It still stands, so hope that market reverse, touch this price and came back down. A bit demanding, I know, but that's what I'm waiting for. To the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, nothing much. Alright, so that's all I have for you for today. The bad pattern still valid at 1.8. Very nice whole number. Price action number as well for entry price. If you love to see the development of this trade, join us live on Facebook this Wednesday, www.facebook.com/forex.org on 6:08 PM Singapore time. Check the description at the bottom. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trail plan, and I will see you soon on the next video.